Did you know that over 70% of adults worldwide have used natural remedies at least once in their lifetime?
With the rise of health-conscious lifestyles, natural remedies have gained immense popularity as people seek effective and holistic ways to improve their well-being. In today's fast-paced world, where stress, pollution, and unhealthy habits are prevalent, natural remedies offer a beacon of hope for those looking to enhance their health naturally.
Natural remedies encompass a wide range of herbal, plant-based,
and traditional therapies that have been used for centuries across various cultures.
What sets them apart is their emphasis on harnessing the healing properties of nature, without the synthetic chemicals often found in conventional medicine. This shift towards natural remedies is not just a trend. It's a testament to people's desire for safer, sustainable, and more personalized approaches to healthcare. Hello everyone.
Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the world of natural remedies that have stood the test of time. Today, we're exploring 10 powerful natural remedies that have been scientifically proven to work wonders for your health. Stick around till the end to discover these amazing solutions and start your journey towards a healthier life.
Let's kick things off with turmeric,
a golden spice renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can help reduce inflammation in the body. To use it effectively, consider adding it to your dishes or mixing it with a bit of black pepper for better absorption.
Next up is honey,
a sweet remedy with a rich history in traditional medicine. Besides its delightful taste, honey has antibacterial properties that can soothe a sore throat. Whether you prefer it in tea or straight from the spoon, honey is a go-to solution for throat irritation. Note that honey should not be given to children under 1 year old due to the risk of botulism. If you suffer from headaches, peppermint oil might be your new best friend. Its cooling sensation can provide relief when applied topically or inhaled through steam. Several studies support its effectiveness in easing headaches, making it a natural alternative to over-the-counter medications. Remember to dilute peppermint oil before applying it to the skin to avoid irritation. Ginger has long been hailed for its ability to calm upset stomachs and alleviate nausea, including motion sickness. Whether you brew it as a tea or chew on raw ginger, its digestive benefits can work wonders. However, pregnant individuals and those with certain health conditions should consult their healthcare provider before using ginger regularly. When it comes to skin irritations like sunburns or cuts, aloe vera is a trusted remedy. Its gel-like consistency provides a soothing effect and promotes healing. Opt for pure aloe vera gel for maximum benefits and perform a patch test if you have sensitive skin or allergies. Eucalyptus oil is a natural decongestant, perfect for respiratory issues like congestion or coughs. Inhaling its vapor or using it in a steam bath can help clear your airways. Be cautious with its potency, especially around children, and always dilute it properly before use. For a peaceful night's sleep, chamomile tea is a classic choice. Its calming effects can help reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Brew a cup before bedtime and enjoy its gentle aroma.
Note that chamomile may cause reactions in individuals allergic to ragweed or certain medications.
Lavender oil is well known for its calming properties, making it a popular choice for anxiety relief. Diffuse it in your living space or apply it topically for relaxation. Numerous studies highlight lavender's positive impact on stress and mood. However, pregnant individuals and young children should use it with caution. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is praised for its digestive benefits and potential to regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporate it into your daily routine by adding it to salads or diluting it in water. While beneficial, excessive consumption of ACV can have negative effects on dental health, so moderation is key. Lastly, garlic is a powerhouse for immune support due to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or in supplement form, garlic can boost your body's defenses. If you're on blood-thinning medications, consult your healthcare provider before increasing garlic intake. In conclusion, we've covered a wealth of natural remedies that have been proven to work wonders for your health. From turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties to garlic's immune-boosting benefits, nature offers us a treasure trove of solutions. Whether you're dealing with inflammation, digestive issues, or sleep troubles, there's a natural remedy out there for you. We encourage you to explore these remedies under appropriate guidance. Consult with healthcare professionals or herbalists to ensure the remedies align with your individual needs and health conditions.
Natural doesn't always mean risk-free, so it's essential to be informed and cautious in your approach.
If you found this information valuable and want to learn more about incorporating natural remedies into your lifestyle,
consider subscribing to our channel.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share it with friends and family who could benefit from these tips.
Your support helps us continue creating informative content for you.
Before we wrap up, I'd like to introduce you to our #1 medical garden kit. Imagine having a mini pharmacy in your backyard, filled with herbs and plants that promote a healthier lifestyle. Our kit includes everything you need to start your own medicinal garden, from seeds to planting guides. Visit our website in the description below to learn more and take a step towards a more natural and holistic approach to wellness.
Thank you for watching, and remember to leave your comments and questions below. We love hearing from our viewers and look forward to connecting with you.
Stay healthy and stay tuned for more insightful content from our channel, and see you in the next video.